Welcome to Golden Days MK. In our previous video we discussed about delivery trading. Now we are going to discuss about intraday trading. So what is the difference between delivery and intraday? First thing, delivery means once you bought a share, you can able to hold. That means you can able to sell the share today, you can able to sell tomorrow, you can able to sell 1 week later, 1 month later, 10 days later. So whenever you want, maybe in 10 years or 20 years later also you can able to sell the share. So that kind of the trading that is to be called delivery trading. What is meant by intraday trading? Intraday trading means your transaction you are closing the same day. You bought the share, some number of the share, someone script you bought. The shares you are selling the same day. So that transaction is called intraday trading. So your transaction you close the same day. This trading is called intraday trading. Your transaction you carry forward to the next day. That is to be in a delivery trading. This is the way. This is a basic concept. And any other difference in between the delivery and intraday? Delivery first you need to buy. Afterwards you can able to sell. Intraday how it will be work? Intraday two way we can able to do. First thing, you can able to buy the share. Afterwards you can able to sell the share. At the same time, you don't have any share. Okay, your account is you have some cash, 10,000 or 20,000 cash you have. What you are doing? Someone script. Okay, you are thinking this script the price will be calm down. So what are you doing? First you are selling the shares. First you are selling some number of the shares you are selling, and afterwards again you are buying the share. So this trading is called intraday trading. So someone script 100 rupees, now present rate 100 rupees, you sold 100 number of the shares you sold. Afterwards what you are thinking, the market will be come down, the price will be come down, you are expecting. So the 100 rupees share, the price will be coming down 99, 98, 97. Okay, now at the price of 97 you bought the share. Okay, the same script 100 number you bought. Just to think that previously first you sold the share 100 number, now you bought the share 100 number. So end of the day the transaction seat how it will become, you bought at 97, you sold at 100 rupees. Okay, this is the way. So now how many rupees profit? Total number of the shares 100 number of the shares, how many rupees profit? 3 rupees profit. So 3 into 100, 300 rupees profit. This is the way we can able to calculate the profit. This is the way we can able to draw. So the major difference between delivery and intraday, delivery we cannot able to go short. Short means first selling, afterwards buying. So this way we cannot trade in delivery. But intraday we can do, first we can able to sell, afterwards we can able to buy. Or we can do, first we can able to buy, afterwards we can able to sell. So this is a major difference between the delivery and intraday. And intraday trading, once you are choosing that in a trading in the intraday, the script you need to close the same day. If you have enough more cash, that enough of the amount if you have, that time what you can do, the intraday trading you can able to convert into the delivery. That case also when you can do short, you cannot do. Short means first you sold the share, afterwards you need to buy the share. So short we cannot able to convert into delivery. At the same time long we can able to convert. Long means first if you bought the share, afterwards you are selling the share. So this kind of the transaction, first you bought, now this kind of the transaction we are seeing as the long. So the long we can able to convert into delivery. When we can do, if you have the enough amount of the cash, that time you can able to do. And most of the traders they select intraday trading. Why? So the major reason, delivery we can do the transaction if you have the enough amount of the money. Okay, now I have 10,000 rupees, means I can able to buy the share 10,000 worth of the cash worth of the shares I can able to buy. At the same time intraday means, suppose I am choosing an intraday means what I can do, if I have 10,000 rupees means I can buy a share around 1 lakh rupees. Okay, depending upon the company to company, the exposure it will vary. Exposure means like a loan. If you have in a 10,000 rupees means the company they allow to trade around 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh means in a 10 times exposure. So if you have a 10,000 rupees, you can able to buy a share around 1 lakh worth of share you can able to buy. This we are seeing as a exposure. Okay, but at the end of the day we need to close the position. Okay. Some of the company they may give 20 time exposure. 20 time means if you have a 10,000 rupees, if you have a 10,000 rupees means you can able to buy a share up to 2 lakhs worth of the shares you can able to buy. So here what is the risk means that in a delivery you are buying in a less amount of the share. Okay, how much of the cash you have, the same amount of the script you are buying, and you can able to sell the next day also, or next week, or next year also you can able to sell. But intraday, what we need to do, the same day we need to close the position, and you are utilizing the exposure. Exposure means company payment you are using. Okay, so like a loan. So here what is the major condition? Once morning you bought a share, you need to close the same day, you need to close. Okay, so same day closing means in the end of the day. Suppose if you are not closing, what will happen in a 3:30 market closing time, before 10 minutes, around 3:15 to 3:20, in between this time, the company automatically they may close the share. Closing position means if you bought a share in intraday means they sell the share. Okay, if you are going in a long, that should be first buying, afterwards selling, that should be long. So first you bought a share means they may sell the share. Suppose you are going in a short means first selling the share means what they may do, the 3:15 to 3:20 na, this time they may buy the share. So these things happen automatically. So this is the way. So profit means more profit, loss means more loss. So that is the concept in intraday. Most probably that's been one kind of the riskiest trading. So to compare the delivery riskless and profitless. Intraday more profit, at the same time more loss. So that is a concept. So today I plan to discuss this kind of the information. If you feel this information it will be helpful for your trading, continuously you just watch this channel, and here I am going to discuss about my experience, what are the risks I faced. So that things I am going to discuss in this channel itself, and you just subscribe and continuously just watch this channel. Thank you.